Hey everyone, welcome to another video from ChampSoft, where we break down tech that matters. Today we're diving into Mirth Connect, a powerful healthcare integration engine that plays a huge role in ensuring smooth and secure data flow between healthcare systems. So, what exactly is Mirth Connect? Think of it as the backbone of modern healthcare interoperability. It doesn't just connect systems. It ensures that millions of messages flow securely, accurately, and in real time between platforms, all while staying with strict regulations like HIPAA compliant. But here's the deal, basic setups just don't cut it. If you're serious about performance, you'll need to go deeper. Tune your JVM properly, optimize your databases, strengthen your security, and embrace microservices and cloud-native strategies. For instance, setting the right heap size, using the G1 garbage collector, and indexing the right columns in your database can boost efficiency massively. Security? Non-negotiable. Implementing advanced authentication via LDAP, encrypting with AES 256, securing APIs with OAuth 2.0, and using TLS 1.3 across all communications are just a few ways to keep sensitive healthcare data locked down. And looking ahead, Mirth Connect is ready for the future. From integrating with FHIR R4 standards and leveraging machine learning, to deploying in Kubernetes and scaling with cloud services like AWS and Azure, this platform can handle it all. If you found this helpful and want to learn more about optimizing your healthcare systems with tools like Mirth Connect, head over to champsoft.com blog section for in-depth articles and expert insights. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a video from ChampSoft. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.